Hi everyone. Today I'll be making pulled pork tacos with pineapple salsa. What all goes into the pulled pork tacos with pineapple salsa? 2 pounds pork shoulder, pork butt. I have actually like 3.85 pounds because I was going to use it for a different recipe. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 cup chicken broth, 1/4 cup orange juice. I was going to just get juice from the orange. I got the pure one with no sugar added, 100% orange juice. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. This is what you need for the meat of the tacos. For the pineapple salsa, 1 cup fresh pineapple diced. I'll have to cut these up in smaller pieces. 1/2 red onion finely diced. 1 jalapeno finely chopped, seeded for less heat. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro chopped. Juice of 1 lime. Pinch of salt. And then for the serving, small corn or flour tortillas, crumbled queso fresco or cotija cheese, sour cream, and lime wedges for garnish. So let's begin. Take a small bowl. Take your 1 tablespoon of chili powder, your 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, your 1 teaspoon of cumin, your 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, your 1 teaspoon of onion powder, your 1 teaspoon of salt, and your 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and mix that together. Take your spice mix and mix it all over the pork roast, and be generous. This is already falling apart and it hasn't even started to cook yet. But this I need to shred, so this will be fine. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. Heat your 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. So add your pork shoulder to the hot pan. And sear it on all sides. So get out your slow cooker. I am using crock pot liner, which I usually do, either that or a silicone one. Put in your seared pork shoulder. Put it in there. Then add your 1/2 cup of chicken broth, your 1/4 cup of orange juice, and your 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Add your lid. Turn it to low and cook it for 8 to 10 hours, or high for 4 to 5, until the pork is fork tender and easy to shred. And trust me, this is going to be easy to shred. It's already fallen apart. So before the roast is done, we want to make the pineapple salsa so all the flavors can mix together. It can sit. We want to take the 1 cup of diced pineapples, and then we want to do the 1/2 of the finely diced red onion. I didn't do quite half because it was a big onion. And then the 1 jalapeno seeded and diced. The 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. And take your lime and squeeze that. You know what? I'm going to do it with my lime squeezer. And then mix that up. And we're going to get all of those flavors mixed together. The pineapple, cilantro, and the red onion, the jalapeno, and the lime juice. And we're going to let it sit, and so they can get all those flavors melded together. I forgot the pinch of salt. Now I'm going to mix that together. And the salt will bring out the juices of all. So I'm going to put that in the refrigerator with the lid on it until we're ready to use it, which will be in about an hour. So we want to take our pulled pork, put it on our tortilla shell, put our pineapple salsa on the top there, and some queso fresco cheese, and a dollop of sour cream. We'll fold that up and then serve it with a lime wedge. So here are the pulled pork tacos with pineapple salsa. Rounding out the meal is Mexican street corn rice and a lime wedge. Let's see what Dave thinks.
There's a lot of flavors mixed in there.
And that is pulled pork tacos with pineapple salsa.
It's good. It's not spicy hot at all, but it's got a lot of flavor in it. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.